What's up, everybody? It's Be Nasty again. I decided to go ahead and throw another last clip in here. Get this turned down some. Damn it, that's as low as that's gonna go. Here we go. I figure I'm gonna go ahead and tear into this block real quick. Get the crank out, get everything off of it. Since I'm out here and already messing around, so hope you guys enjoy.
Case the producer.
I'm just living life in that paper chase. Spending every day trying to find my way. But I'ma stay up on this hustle till it kill me. Cause if I don't, then I just ain't being the real me. And you can roll if you just let me know you feel me. So I'ma always keep it true and then you will see it's always the real me.
I don't know what I'm thinking, nightmares when I'm sleeping, feeling like I'm not breathing, I'm jumping off of the deep end. I think that I should stop drinking, but oh no, here comes the weekend. We are not the same, so with you lambs, no, I can't be friends. I'm out my mind, I try to relax, but I can't. Anxiety attacks, only thing that keep me calm is when I'm out here, man, writing these raps. No more drugs, then I relapse. It's alright, demons on my back, calling my name out to find a stack. Man, I fucked up my life and I'm fine with that. This is the way that I'm easing my problems. Live through this shit and I hustle tomorrow. Drowning my sorrow, I'm trapped in a bottle. Gone for a week and I won't even call you. Killing the game and I'm out here for dollars. Bought on a house that I bought for my mama. If you want drama, I'm popping a rocket that's dropping your body, then call to the gossip. Live my life on that paper chase. Stack up tougher than later days. Love that look when I hate a face. And I shit on y'all just to stay awake. I set this off, yeah, I paved the way. B18, man, we changed the game. Yeah, about my business, we ain't the same. I kill this place when they hit and play.
I'm just living life in that paper chase. Spending every day trying to find my way. But I'ma stay up on this hustle till it kill me. Cause if I don't, then I just ain't being the real me. And you can roll if you just let me know you feel me. So I'ma always keep it true and then you will see it's always the real me.
I'm waking up in the night, shaky hands and cold sweats. I'm feeling like I lost my mind, and if I did, I don't know yet. I hate the world, just let me off. I'm flexing out for these whole checks. I'm dropping verses, booking hearses. This beat bang, give you broke necks. I go left for this paper, your lady love me, don't need a hater. I keep it real, left y'all in the dust, y'all breathing hard like Darth Vader. I'm making money off your mom, we got the bar and we all faded. I'm running things from behind the scenes, we get the green button, it's our nation. I'm about my bread and I hate waiting. I'm throwing shows when they overdose. I go for broke, so I really don't. I aim for throats, cause this means the most. I don't mean to boast, but I'll make you ghost. Competition, y'all ain't even close. Just like trash, y'all get disposed. I'm getting paid, spit the sickest flows. Bitch, you know that I'm coming up. They hate it then, now they run and duck. Y'all rap about it, I really doubt it, and that's really cuz I done done it, cuz what it is ain't what it was. All bets are off, showing dummy love, and they wonder why I don't fuck with you. It's the real me, bruh, so run it up.
I'm just living life in that paper chase. Spending every day trying to find my way. But I'ma stay up on this hustle till it kill me. Cause if I don't, then I just ain't being the real me. And you can roll if you just let me know you feel me. So I'ma always keep it true and then you will see it's always the real me.
Case the producer.